Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TechnoTrend back here again with another upload. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some simple steps to make your other iOS device some sort of HomePod. Now this video I came up with myself. It's just an idea I came up with. It's very simple. It has the exact same features as the HomePod minus the 360 surround type of sound it has. For some reason these only have, like, I guess I'll say 90-degree, but that one has some sort of sensor which projects sound everywhere, which is kind of crazy, but I guess, you know, it's a free HomePod, so go ahead and watch the video. So in today's video I do have some announcements before we get started. So in these announcements I will be concluding that I do have shoutouts. If you guys haven't heard of these shoutouts, if you're new to my channel, any of that, I do give free shoutouts to all my people who are always commenting and liking my videos. Now that goes for actives only. If I see you saying, oh, can I have a shoutout, and I've never seen you before, you will not receive a shoutout, and you will most likely get on my blacklist, meaning you don't have an opportunity to earn a shoutout. So if you guys want to earn a shout out, just say something nice in my comments, and if I keep seeing you on my uploads constantly commenting stuff on it, then I will give you that free shout out. That also goes for Twitter, so if you guys want to follow me there, go ahead, follow. Shout out to myself, TechnoTrend0. Follow me on Twitter, or just click the link in the description. It should take you there. Alright guys, that's it for these announcements. Let's get started with today's video. Hope you guys do enjoy. Alright guys, for your HomePod, now this is going to be some simple steps. Now if you guys do have Siri on your phone, this doesn't count for any older previous generations like the iPhone 4 or 3G. This does work for a later model such as the iPod 5, the iPhone 6, the iPhone 5S, stuff like that. Some of these features will not work for your device. So starting with the iPhone 6s and above. Now for the iPhone 6 and above, you don't need to have your cable plugged in to have Hey Siri activated. Now if you guys didn't know what Hey Siri is, Hey Siri can start any song, and it can actually look up stuff for you. It's the same thing the HomePod, and basically the only difference between them is the 360 hearing, and it's a speaker. But I'm pretty sure your iPhone speakers will be fine as long as your room isn't loud. It's kind of like decently quiet, then that's fine too. So I have plenty of devices that I've tried this on. This does work. This is my iPod 5, my other iPod 5 which is over there, and this is my iPhone 6 right here. I also have my iPhone 6s Plus. Now this does work for my devices. Now I will be showing you guys how to do this. So if you guys can look to my right, you guys will see a little iPhone just popped out of nowhere. So what you guys want to do is go straight to settings. Now once you're in your settings tab, you guys can see Siri here. Click Siri, then it'll say click allow Siri. Now your iPhone does need to be charged in order to use this, or you can have it plugged in. Make sure to turn on the feature that says allow Hey Siri. When you say the word hey, and then I don't want to say it because it will activate right now, then you will Siri will listen to what you're saying. Even if you're like not at a close distance, it'll listen to it like 6 feet away, 7 feet away. As long as it can hear you, then that's like a really cool feature. Like, it will work. So if you guys have that feature on, I'll demonstrate it for you guys that it does work. So let's say it's plugged in, you know, as your HomePod would be. Let's just leave it down on the side, and without me touching it, I can say, hey Siri, play the song Fade.
Now playing Fade by Alan Walker.
And there it goes. Very simple, guys. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy. I like these little tricks because not everyone can afford a HomePod that costs hundreds of dollars just for a little speaker. So this is your little speaker for today. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please leave a like if you did. Love you guys so much. Have a good one. Peace.